Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Felicia Travels. It's the channel where you can find the best travel tips based on my own experience. And in this video I will take you to Prom Tap Cape, Nyharm Beach and to a local sauna, so enjoy watching!
She's washing her hair because she put something like a treatment and she needs to wash it off before you get in sauna again.
So I'm excited. My first sauna experience in Thailand.
And here it's like so local place and so cheap, and they put the hobo, like Thai hobo in there as well, so you're gonna get like extremely healthier because there's so many benefits. We can talk about it later.
Yes.
But I went there and it came out and it's so hot, like it's boring my skin like a chip.
I am very excited. I am putting this towel during the sauna because Gam told me it is way better to do it like that and better for the hair, otherwise it will damage too much. Hi.
Hi.
Busy with scrubbing?
Yeah, with the rock.
Okay.
But it needs to be smooth and then you just scrub on your body so that the skin will come out.
Ah,
Yeah, I
that's
have
good.
another technique as well. Let's see after this.
Okay, cool. Here is yogurt, coffee, coffee beans.
And you have
Is any dead skin coming out?
I just finished my sauna session and it was really amazing. I went to the sauna and I did a body scrub with coffee beans. It was really good. My skin is now feeling so much better and also my hair is feeling really soft. It was really amazing and a very local experience actually, but I really loved it. And we are currently now at the Roti house. How are you feeling?
amazing, like relaxed.
Hi, I am now with Maddie.
Hi!
I met her in my new hostel in Phuket and we drove all the way from here, and now Maddie drove all the way. Yes, and I was just making videos.
You're a good co-pilot.
Yeah, yes. And now we got here at the Prom Tap Cape.
Prom Tap Cape.
Okay.
Prom Tap Cape,
Cool.
yeah.
Yes.
Best view in Phuket.
So nice.
Yes.
Maddie, what are you doing in Phuket?
Right now I'm teaching English for a little while, 6 months. Yep. Yeah. Came here to teach English and I fell in love. I don't want to leave.
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from the US. I'm from California.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Let's now explore.
Let's go. Woo!
Yay!
Oh my god.
Okay, we're flying right now. gonna go to this beach right down there. It's called Nai Harn Beach. Okay, we have arrived at Nai Ha Beach.
Yes.
It's super beautiful.
Beautiful. Small beach in the south of Phuket.
Yes.
Yes.
And now we are going to go swimming.
Yes.
Nice here. I have makeup on. Okay. Is it still on?
Yeah, it's all good. Just don't touch it, baby.
No. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe here down below, and see you next time. Bye bye!